Through the Penang Green Industry Programme and our vision of a green manufacturing hub, we are building an ecosystem that champions renewable energy, resource efficiency, and continuous innovation. Beyond compliance, PGIP helps companies adopt renewable energy, improve resource efficiency, and reduce waste practices. Anchored by our vision of a green manufacturing hub, the program sets clear goals: advancing resource efficiency, cutting pollution, embedding circular economy practices, and strengthening talent attraction and retention.